guys, today's recipe is chocolate and vanilla cake. Let's start the recipe. First we have to separate 4 eggs and yellow from 4 eggs. Now I'm showing you all the method how to separate egg white and yellow. If you know another method, sure you can even use it. And one more thing, I'm using here 1 cup of maida. We have to use 4 eggs sure. If you follow the same method and measurement, you will get a spongy fluffy cake. I separated egg white and yellow from 4 eggs. Now I'm not using here a hand whisker or electronic whisker. I'm using here a mixie jar. Add to that separated egg white. Now you will get a whip option in mixie jar, so that you have to keep for it. If you don't have that option, even you can use numbers. Now we have to whip this for 5 to 6 minutes. We will not get a stiff beak, but something we will get like a from. Now you can see we have got like a from. Okay, for 5 to 6 minutes. If you have a number, you have to grind this for 10 minutes. Now we had egg yellow and grind this for 2 to 3 minutes till it gets light yellow. I think so you can see. Okay, now let's preheat the oven. In 200 degree 15 minutes at both. Let's see how to make cake. In a beaten egg white, you have to add 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of milk. First we have to add all the wet ingredients. We have to not mix dry ingredients now. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and ½ cup of sugar. Now we have to whisk this till sugar gets melted. If the sugar be like that, it will become caramelized. Then the cake will not come properly. In between, add the egg yellow and be beating this one 5 to 6 minutes. Don't put this in mixie jar. If you put, the cake will not come fluffy. Do with an electronic whisker or hand whisker. Now be whisking this till sugar gets nice melted. Now let's add all the dry ingredients. 1 cup of maida, ½ spoon of baking powder, 1/2 spoon of baking soda, few pinches of salt. Now let's mix this with wet ingredients. When we do this method, the refined flour will become nice. Okay, now let's use cake cut method. First, make a fold and cut in between. Make a fold and cut in between without no lumps. Now I've divided into half. I've took more batter for chocolate syrup. Now I'm adding here 2 spoons of chocolate syrup. If you don't want chocolate cake, you can even only bake the vanilla cake. No need to worry, we can use vanilla essence even for chocolate cake. Now we have to use same method, the fold cut, meanwhile cake cut method. Now after doing this batter, we have to dust the tin with maida and ghee. And if you have baking paper, even you can sure. Now tap this down. Now in 200 degree for 30 minutes at both. We have to bake the cake. Okay, after 30 minutes you can see the cake have cooked properly. It took correctly 30 minutes. Now you can see in vanilla cake, the edges have got brown and it have left the tin. Now I'll show you all the cake have baked. If you see, not even a 1 drop of batter you can see in the knife. Okay, now let's tap this down. Oh my god, not even a 1 piece is wasted. Now let's take out the butter sheet. Oh my god, so spongy and fluffy cake. Actually, my favorite is chocolate cake. Which is your favorite cake? Comment down. Okay, now cake are baked fluffy. I've used more batter for chocolate cake because everyone likes chocolate cake at my home. I've used even vanilla cake, but not that much. If you like only chocolate cake, you can add 4 spoons of chocolate sauce for the whole batter. Oh my god, looks so spongy and fluffy, right? Oh, taste nice, perfect, which we buy in bakery. Now I'm cutting my favorite chocolate cake. The taste is awesome. I've never tried in any bakery. Actually, this is a very nice cake in low budget. It is tasty. Thanks for watching. Meet you on the next video. Tata. Bye bye.